Excuse me, we had a deal. She testifies against Emerson, she gets immunity.
The deal was conditioned upon your client telling the truth.
I did.
You called him your son.
We know that's a lie. Because your son died 17 years ago.
Too bad you can't prove it.
Well, the lab is testing the DNA of the man pretending to be your son as we speak.
They're going to call me with the results. You've got until then to make a deal, Mrs. Maurer.
For what?
She testified that she was an accomplice to Bailey's kidnapping. So when the DNA comes back and it matches Kevin Brown's, there's going to be another kidnapping charge.
And a murder.
Who did she kill?
Her own son. The real Emerson, 17 years ago.
Tick. Tock.
What's in it for her?
I'm thinking 20 years.
Of course, that's not my son. My son wouldn't be stupid enough to grab a little girl.
Then what happened to the real Emerson?
Zach and I had a disagreement.
Fight.
Stop, Rowan.
No. What choice do I have? We were at the top of the stairs. We didn't know Emerson was behind us. Zach pushed me. I bumped into my son and he fell down the stairs. He broke his neck. There was blood coming out of his ears. It was an accident.
And why didn't you call the police?
We were drinking. Zach was a rager. He had assault charges. They would have thought we killed him. We had no other choice. I buried my sweet baby in the backyard.
And Kevin Brown was the perfect replacement. The same age, same height and weight.
And Zach left a week later.
So you raised Kevin as your own. This is Diane Brown, Kevin's sister. You remember her?
What are you doing here? I did you a favor. Your parents didn't care anything about either of you. What are you talking about? They let you run all over the city like a couple of ragamuffins. When you were coming to the store to get ice cream, you were alone. You were 10. He was 6. What kind of mother does that?
One who was dying.
Better yet, Kevin had a good life with me. I fed him, I clothed him, I loved him. He had a mom.
You stole him.
But my baby was dead. I deserved that.
No. No one deserves somebody else's child.